Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. You ever boiled an egg and went to peel it and it just break all the pieces on you? Or you break it up, try and tear it all to pieces trying to get it peeled? Well, I'm going to show you how to boil an egg where the peeling will practically fall off of the egg. And I'm going to show you how to do that coming up right now. Okay, first thing we need to do is get you a pot, and we're going to put just enough water in it, just deep enough that you'll be able to cover your eggs in it. You don't want it full. You don't want your eggs in it at this point. We're going to turn the burner up just about on high, and we're going to bring this water up to a boil. And when it gets to a boil, we'll bring you back at that point and show you the next step. Okay, you see our water starting to come to a boil there now. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our eggs straight out of the refrigerator. We want to get them straight out of the refrigerator, not in the, don't have them out setting out. We want them come straight out of the refrigerator. And then we're just going to slowly put them down in our boiling water. We're just going to slowly ease them down in the boiling water. If I don't drop them and break them off. And when you have all your eggs in your water, we're going to set a timer for 13 minutes. We still got a burner on high. We're just going to let this come back to a boil, but while our timer's going. And then when the 13 minutes is up, we'll bring you back and show you the next step. Okay, we've got just a few more seconds and our timer's going to go off. You can see our water's backed up to a boil here now. And we hadn't touched our eggs, we just let them go. And there goes the timer right there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to cut our burner off, and then we're going to move our pot over to the sink, and we're going to run cold water in it. Going to run cold water in it for about a minute there, and to let just cold water run in it for about a minute, and then we'll bring you back whenever that happens, and we'll show you the next step. Okay, our water's been running for about a minute there on our eggs, so we're just going to take it back down to where we just have very little bit of water left in there, just enough to cover the eggs. We got a bucket of ice. We're just going to dump this ice in and just cover the eggs up with ice. What we're going to do, we're going to get all that ice that we can in there on top of them. And what we're going to do at this point, we're just going to let that set for about 15 minutes. And then we'll bring you back and show you the final step. Okay, our eggs been sitting in our ice bath there for about 15 minutes now. So we're just going to take us one out. We're going to see how it'll peel. We're just going to roll it around, get the shell busted on it. And then we're going to see how easy this will peel. You see how it's doing? It just will practically fall off of the egg. It's a little cold on me. But it'll practically, you can see. I'm doing it slow so y'all can sort of see how easy it's coming off. It'll just practically fall off of the egg. We're going to get another, and we'll do another one here for y'all. Move that over out of the way so we don't get that shell all over everything. That little secret, if you'll start peeling your eggs at the top of your egg at the big end, instead of down at the pointed end, you have that air pocket at the big end. And that will help you to, be able to get a starting point without tearing your eggs. Try to start it down on the side, then chances are you're going to tear your egg to start off with. And so what you want to do, you want to get in that air pocket on the end of it to start. And that'll allow you to get it in under the egg peel. And you want to, I don't know, I'm trying to get that where you can see that little film that's there. Of course, if you've ever peeled eggs, you know what I'm talking about, that film there. You want to get that under that film too. And you see how that's just peeling off there? How it's just coming apart there? Just so easy. I'm not having to do anything, just turn my egg. Now, I could just pull it on off of there, but like I said, I want y'all to see how easy that is. See, it just slips right off. See how that egg is perfectly peeled? It didn't take anything to peel that egg. And we're not going to sit here and make you watch us peel all of them, but there's a couple of them you see we've done. This is the simplest, easiest way to peel eggs that there are. Now, if you will, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. The thumbs up helps the algorithm move our videos up so other people can see the stuff we do in the search engines and the stuff like that. So if you will, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it all. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos. We'll see you on the next one.